Alright parents, school has resumed already and your kids is going to need stationery in the school. One of the important stationery that is needed in the school is crayon, marker, poster color and other type of painting brush. So with that, I'm going to introduce you to our all-in-one art set. Now when you look at this art set, it has 208. Talking about the drawing paper, pencil, crayon, sharpener, eraser, different type of crayon, different type of watercolor. So we are going to open it for you to see. Other side. So parents, when you are buying stationery for your children, especially the one for painting, consider buying this our super meg art set. 208 pieces in this. It will save a whole lot of money. I remain Lehabel.